Hello students of Standard 7th. Welcome to DAV Moil Public School. I am your English teacher Jagruti Mejra. Let's begin our today's online session of English. Dear students, today we will continue with the same lesson from your literature book, The Human Robot. Before proceeding further, let us quickly recapitulate what we studied in our previous session. Prem Chopra, as we know, that was a thief and he enters a super robot plaza. He is a trickster. Super robots, the best and the most renowned plaza in the town. He wants a robot to act as an accomplice in his crime. So he considers it a proper investment for his latest loot. His guilt makes him feel nervous and different. Ram Singh 070, a metallic blue robot programmed to suit Prem Chopra's requirement. He takes command from a remote control, operates with a radius of a half kilometer. So he decides to buy it. But the robot had three principles. First, the robot will obey his master. The robot will not harm humans and the robot will not harm to himself. However, Prem Chopra thinks he has got a servant and an accomplice. Ram Singh 070 starts shoplifting exploits. He also used for shoplift of jewels, necklaces and precious stones. He was warned not to reveal and threatened by Prem Chopra that if he will say anything to others, he would defuse him. The metallic blue robot Ram Singh 070 obeys all commands dutifully. Prem Chopra always ordered and watched from a distance. Ram Singh 070 one day was exposed. A fruit vendor notices Ram Singh deed of stealing a bunch of Afghani grapes incident related to all. Many shopkeepers recall the presence of metallic blue robot. Then the information reaches to the police headquarters. Hidden computerized cameras in Zaveri brothers expose Ram Singh and he was caught red-handed by police. Police Prem Chopra flees the scene but he was captured by the police. In the court, Prem Chopra denies his involvement and says someone has tampered with the robot. Government counsel Goyal summons Ram Singh to court and he plans to unwind memory tape. Courtroom jam-packed, people keen to watch robot and witness box. Ram Singh was interrogated. Ram Singh dutifully followed Prem Chopra earlier instructions and refuses to reveal vital information. Counsel Counsel tells Ram Singh his shoplifting exploits have harmed many human beings. So Ram Singh is now in dilemma. Let us see what happens next in the story. There was no response from Ram Singh 070. Counsel Goel stressed on each word saying, many people have been suffered because of you, so speak up. Prem Chopra now shouted nervously, but the judge warned him to keep quiet. Again the judge said, come on Ram Singh, speak up. Ram Singh 070 jerked his head left and then right towards the judge. The reporting mechanism signal suddenly stopped. Strange reeling, creaking, breaking sounds came from Ram Singh 070. The dim blue light turned to indigo. Many people will be harmed without the knowledge of those instructions. Report Ram Singh 070. Again, the counsel Goel persisted. A clicking sound indicated the hampering of running tapes and jamming of caution signals. Pip, 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 pip. The crackling sounds of indigo light intensified. Then suddenly, a red light flashed on the forehead of Ram Singh, robot signaling danger. Reporting system failed. Tiny shutters in the center of his chest opened, displaying a small TV screen flashing, system disintegrated. Ram Singh robot was totally diffused. No, no, cried the salesman of Super Robot Plaza. He is diffused. He is dead. He whispered, coming to the witness box. There was a hush in the courtroom. The jury, the audience, lawyers, and Prem Chopra were stupefied and totally moved. The two mechanics of Super Robots carried a limp Ram Singh 070 out of the courtroom. In a husky voice, the salesman explained. The instructions built into the mechanism were in conflict. He sacrificed himself for his principles. He quickly followed his men out. Silence prevailed for a long in courtroom. Counsel Goyal cleared his throat and broke the stillness. Robots do not cause harm to the people, and neither they disobey their masters. Those instructions from Mr. Prem Chopra were not to be revealed. They could have been injurious to his own existence, a threat to the robot's life. If he revealed them, he would disobey his master. If he did not, he would harm others. This conflict has brought Ram Singh's end. So he chose to break apart of telling a lie, hurting human beings or becoming unfaithful. Traces of pain and depression marks the counsel's face. He picked up his file and with a bow he left the courtroom. The proceeding went on and Prem Chopra was found guilty. So in this way, Prem Chopra was finally put into the bars for his deed. Students, our chapter is over now. Dear students, take the correct answers from the options given below. Already some are done for you. Dear students, answer the following questions in not more than 30 words. Already some are done for you. From the story, pick out at least 4 extracts which show that Prem Chopra wanted to buy Ram Singh primarily for stealing goods from the shop. Dear students, for this you have to refer the story. Given below are few adjectives. Decide which of these describe Ram Singh and which one describe Prem Chopra. Also give the reason for your choice. Already some are done for you. Dear students, if you don't know the meanings of some of the words, you can use dictionary for this. Dear students, in the same way, you have to do the questions of what's, life skills, values and writing skill. Here we end our today's session. Have a nice day. Thank you.